Hello! We are from livingonadime.com. This is Jill, my mom, and I'm Tara. And we are finishing our series of 10 how to get organized tips. Because it's really not hard, guys, but we want you to get motivated so that you can get it done and get going.
Yeah.
We are the authors of the How to Organize and Clean Your Home ebook series in the description below. We are also the authors of the Dining on a Dime cookbook, a ton of homemade cleaners you can make, homemade window cleaner for about 10 to 15 cents. It's super, super cheap and it works really, really well. Mm-hmm. We have an all-purpose disinfectant cleaner in there that works really well, and it's the only way I do it now because I love it. So anyway, today is our 10th tip, and it is create a place for everything.
Yeah.
Everything needs a place.
We can't holler at our kids and our husband for leaving a mess or leaving piles around when we have the closet so messed up or the table so messed up that they have no place else to put it, you know. And it saves you time. It saves you thinking. If you know that your keys are going to be hanging there every single time.
And put things in a place where it makes sense.
Yes.
Put your keys by your purse.
Yes.
By your coat, all by the door.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Put your tea in your kitchen cabinet. Your tea by your teapot. Your sugar, whatever you use for your tea, your coffee, whatever. Our coffee pot sits on the counter. Our coffee is in the cabinet straight above it.
Yes.
My teapot sits on the counter. My tea is straight in the counter. Well, I have a lot of tea. A lot of people send me tea. You can send me all the tea you want. Go ahead and send me some more. I'm okay with it. But I have some in the cabinet above and some in the cabinet below, in the drawer below.
Yeah.
But it's all right there.
I have a baking section, a cabinet where right below the counter is where I plug in my hand mixer. Mm-hmm. I keep my hand mixer, my mixing bowls, my measuring cups straight above me, and everything I need. And then the stuff like the sugar, flour, and that is right next to that same little area.
You should not walk, unless your kitchen is just gigantic, you should really not walk more than 2 feet when you're baking something for anything. And Mom is right, and I didn't realize people do this, but my baking center is on one end of the kitchen. My pantry is on the other end of the kitchen. Mm-hmm. So I never, ever, ever, unless my canister is empty, walk to my pantry to get flour and sugar. It is all right there in canisters on my counter.
Yeah.
All my baking powder, vanilla, everything is right there. I even have the measuring spoons hanging on the wall straight above it. Mm-hmm. And it's all right next to the refrigerator to get the eggs and milks for baking.
Yeah. Keep it in a small contained area is what you can, And in the bathroom, to keep it easy, I keep cleaning supplies under each bathroom.
Mm-hmm. Keep a separate thing of cleaning supplies in every room you clean.
Yeah, in every bathroom. I have cleaning supplies under my kitchen sink for in there. And I have a tiny house. I have a real tiny house. But I keep that right there because you need to keep it where you don't.
There's no reason to be walking all over the house to get cleaning supplies, because then when I'm in the bathroom and Mike's talking to me, I can, while he's talking, wipe down the kitchen the bathroom counters, wipe down the floor, whatever I need to do, and I'm done in 5 minutes.
And another thing, too, is to keep like things together. Mm-hmm. I knew a woman once, she had this was back in the olden days when they had actual pictures, paper pictures. She would keep pictures and cleaning supplies and her dishes, her plates and stuff, all in the same medicine, just all mixed together in the same kitchen cabinet.
And her kitchen was probably 4 foot by 3 foot. It was tiny.
It was just stacked in there, all these different objects and things.
Don't put your bills in the
she
kitchen
had bills
cabinet.
In there too. She did along with the photo things.
Baby wipes. Why are there baby wipes in the kitchen, people? Do not change the diaper in the kitchen.
No. And you keep a little small table or something where all the mail goes to. Yep. Even if you have a basket where it gets piled, that's better than having it scattered throughout the whole house. Mm-hmm. So keep like things together. In the garage, keep all the paints together, all the tools together, all the garden stuff together. Keep a shelf for each one of these things and don't have things. So find a place for everything of like things together and keep them together like that.
Yep.
Save you time, stress,
and money.
And money,
because you
yes.
can find it.
Yes.
All right, guys. That is the end of our 10 secrets to getting yourself organized. I don't know if that's what I'm going to call it when we're done. We'll see. But anyway, it is 10 secrets that we had. Dining on a Dime cookbook. Check it out. We have a ton of cleaning recipes in here. And then our How to Organize and Clean Your Home ebook series in the description below. And that's it for this series.
Now you'll be organized.
All right. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye-bye.